Come on, everybody. My name is Ajela, and today is Obatala Day. Obatala is a very highly expensive Orisha. Why is Obatala expensive? As Obatala, we do rituals every Sunday. We do rituals every month. There are some other rituals we do every three months, and there's a ritual we do once in a year. So, as Obatala, we are always on our toes. Now, after they cast Ifa for you and the Oduis or Sameji, don't you know, or you don't know? If you don't know, let me tell you, you have to feed Orisha Obatala before they do the begging of the elders for you. Because if you don't feed Obatala, you will be doing the begging of the elders, begging of the elders, begging of the elders, and they will not listen. Why? Because it is Obatala that is the father of creation, redemption, recreation, and everything that has to do with it. Obatala is the only person that can talk with the Eleye. Some people think that Eshu is the most powerful Orisha, but the authority Eshu has, it is Obatala that gave it to him. Yes, everybody believes that Eshu has the highest authority. Eshu is the mediator between human being and Orisha. But when it comes to Obatala, Eshu will disappear. Why? Because Obatala is the authority itself, the authoritative authority. Yes. No, in those days, Obatala had this for probably trillions of years before he ever thought or he created other Orishas. And after creation of other Orishas, they decided to overturn Obatala. They want to overthrow him. They want to eradicate him and took away Lord's power. But they don't know that in everything that existed or that was created, there is always the essence of Obatala. So that is why everybody that is created, or everything that is created, the way you are thinking, Obatala is hearing. So they are thinking. They went to Eshu. Eshu, we want you to come and join us. Let us join forces and stone Obatala. Eshu, as always, is a neutral force. He said, I don't have time for all this bullshit. I don't have time. Eshu went to one corner. He go and relax. So, while they are all ganging up against Obatala, Obatala just smile. Just smile. That smile, you overthrown them. And from that henceforth, he uplifted Eshu and gave him the authoritative authority. He gave him part of the authority and he became the authority, the spokesman, the mediator between human beings and Orisha. Now, Eshu can, Eshu is a money dibbler. He can turn 1 naira to 2 naira, 2 naira to 4 naira. But when it's come to Obatala, Obatala can turn 1 naira to 1 trillion because he is the authoritative authority. That's why they call him authority. Allah Balashe, he owns the authority. Now, I want to burst your bubbles. Without Obatala, there will be no Ifa or Orunmila. Obatala owns the system. He created the system of divination. That's why millions of years ago, they refer to Obatala as Okpon Loju Ifa, Ifa Loju Okpon. That means without Obatala, there is no Ifa or Orunmila. Now, if your Ifa is not blind and is still seeing, you can consult your Ifa and ask that. Ajela said, Obatala is Okpon Loju Ifa, Ifa Loju Okpon. Without Obatala, there is no Orunmila. He created the system for Orunmila to perform. Created a platform for him so that he can teach. You can consult your Ifa, you can cast the cowrie. Obatala is the owner of days, months, years. That is why they are celebrating a lot of festivals. The day the world was created, even Ooni of Ife cannot actually say that this is what happened on the day of creation, because the historians in the palace were only telling what their forefathers told them. And then when it's come to human transmission, knowledge is reduced because no human being can be 100% efficient in telling stories. Now, Obatala, the Orisha Ogiyan, they want to feed Obatala for you, and then they are not pounding yam. They are not feeding Obatala because there's no way you are going to feed Obatala without pounding yam. You are going to buy your own mortar and pestle. You are going to buy the yam for you and make the special soup for Obatala. You are going to pound the yam for you. That's why they call him òrìṣà ògìyán, alápàláṣẹ. Ah, the grandpa, they call him Baba, the Baba. Now, let me burst your bubbles again. There is no king that ever lived or ever entered the throne without Obatala. Talk about Obatala. They don't put Obatala into consideration. That king will die in a baby. That is one thing. Because Obatala is the king of all kings. He put king there. And I wonder people who think they are Obatala. The truth is that out of all the Obatala we have in this country, there's only less than 10 people who has legit Obatala. Because you can't have Obatala without being recognized by Obatala itself. You can't have Obatala without mastering other Orisha. People that, someone was actually trying to say, that boy, that Ajinla, I will deal with him. So he went to wherever they got him power. So when he got there, he was trying to chant my name. Ajinla, Ajinla. The Orisha was calling upon appeared, which I know you'll see, and give me a dirty slap. Say, do you know the boy you are calling? The son of Obatala. Why? Because everybody understands Obatala's silence. He doesn't have to say a word. He is everywhere. He is everything. A lot of fact, being the son of Obatala, I cannot definitely say that this is what Obatala look like. Sometimes what you see is cloud. Sometimes you just see a hand in form of cloud. Sometimes you just see snail. Obatala is everywhere. He is the essence of everything. The other Orishas, they understand him. He doesn't have to speak a word. They understand his silence. Because when Obatala speak, the world will collapse. Because he's the father of creation. Now, if you have been to, you cannot be Obatala devotee and you have not been to Obatala's temple. Many people who are actually having Obatala were not accredited by Obatala. What do I mean? To be a devotee of Obatala, we are always on our toes. Like we did now. Look at me. We are having Obatala's feast. I have explained this thing like some minutes ago. We are always on our toes. We are always up to date. Because being an Obatala is highly tasking. And that is why if they are feeding other Orisha for 10 naira, you're going to feed Obatala for 200 naira. Because why? Obatala is the father of all Orisha. You can't just, I don't know. This inspiration, man. Epa Orisha, Epa, Obatala, Obatasa, Obatakuntakun, nínú ọjà àgbáyé, kábíyèsí o, alábàláṣẹ, Epa Orisha.